In a village lived a poor farmer named Ramu. He had a small piece of land and barely made ends meet with his wife and children. Every year, he would sow crops, but sometimes the rains would be favorable and other times drought would strike, preventing Ramu from reaping the full rewards of his hard work. One year, a severe drought hit. Ramu's fields dried up, and the animals suffered from thirst. The rest of the village farmers were also troubled. Ramu did not give up. He decided to invest his remaining savings in digging a small canal. The villagers called him mad, but Ramu remained committed to his work. Day and night, without tiring, he managed to dig a small canal. Gradually, water began to sprinkle onto the fields. Seeing this, neighboring farmers found courage. Some joined Ramu, adding water to the canal and eventually digging more canals. This small canal became a beacon of hope, changing the fate of the entire village. The greenery returned, and the farmers became prosperous. This story teaches us not to lose courage in difficult times, but to take steps to help oneself and others.